So have you ever thought of a Windows PC add-on for an Xbox controller? Kinda like a previous project of mine for the PS5 controller, but this has a Raspberry Pi Zero and runs Linux. So for running Windows, I got this G8350 mini PC stick. Extreme Rate also sent me this RGB mod kit for the Xbox controller. I already 3D printed some parts, but this build would be bulky. That's why I pivoted to a different form factor, which has two screens, one for the PC and a resource monitor, which is driven by a Raspberry Pi Pico. And this keyboard that I designed is called the Akruvia Una. You can check it out in the video description. And for the power related stuff, here's an amp Reaper 3000 and a 3.65 volt 5.2 ampere hour battery. I also have a USB hub, power hub, and some fans. The laser cut acrylic parts here are for the structure of the project. I also 3D printed things for the slide switch for the amp Reaper 3000 and for the power button of the Z8350 board and the battery holder. That's it. So let's put it together. Let's play a game. This project does not have any speaker, so I'll just use a Bluetooth speaker instead, and an Xbox controller.
Here goes.
As for productive stuff, you can use it as a typical Windows PC. Launch VS Code, Arduino IDE, whatever. Don't forget the USB ports here to connect a Raspberry Pi debug probe. It's standard USB, so it's up to you. That's it for this video.